Hey dolls and gents, today I am doing a video all on this hair and how I styled it today. I made a wig using hair extensions from LeModa. This is their Brazilian body wave hair. I am rocking 4 bundles of 24 inches plus a 20-inch lace closure. This hair is nice and full the way that I like it. I normally do not do all one length, so this is definitely different for me. It definitely gives you a lot more fullness, not as much like of a layered look, but if you want all of your hair to be like the same length and still full, you can get all the same bundles and it'll look really cute. So this lace closure is laying super flat, as you can see. It looks really nice. The only thing that I did off camera was I went ahead and I took my powder foundation and I applied it on the parting and also right here. I have this wig on with an elastic band. That's it. So it is just sitting on my head and it still looks super bomb. I didn't do any baby hairs for this unit. I just wanted this unit to be a really simple throw-on unit and just add like a really nice voluminous waves like this. So the texture of this hair is really pretty. It has a natural wave texture to it. So when you curl the hair, it definitely does hold a curl. It's got a lot of body and movement to it as well, which I freaking love. I've had minimal shedding and minimal tangling with this hair. So the lace closure did have a transparent lace on it, so it was very natural. It blended in with my skin, but I felt like when my studio light shined on it, it was a little light, so I went ahead and just added my powder foundation to the lace, and as you can see, it blends like seamlessly. It looks like this hair is growing from my scalp. I did go ahead and tweeze the closure as well to make it look more natural, like a natural hairline. And I wanted to do big tousled curls in this hair because it just looks effortless, but it still looks like really bomb. Like I did something, even though it took like only, I want to say 15 to 20 minutes for me to curl my entire head. But this is the first day that I've rocked these hair extensions, so I'll definitely come back and let y'all know how I feel about this hair in a few months so I can let you know how it held up. If you want to see how I installed these hair extensions and curled this hair today, then definitely stay tuned, guys.
Yeah, hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. I'm on my bling bling song, yeah. I could do this all day long now. I don't know where I belong now. Tell me where it all went wrong now. Yeah, oh no, no, oh please don't go. I got shows, I'm on the road. I'm headed home, I'm where that at. I don't know, but all these flows make me mad. I got a cold, and what's my goal? To be or not to be, that to be. Making up my mind while I'm puffing on that doobie. When I'm on my own, can't stop thinking about my roomies. Please don't call my phone, can't you see I'm with the rubies? Ruby, Ruby, I got a brand new whip, red and gold, yeah. Hop up in that backseat out at foreign. Don't nobody try some things and call me your opponent. Got a bunch of commas, then I roll up with the Rolex. Yeah. Hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Yeah, I'm licking at my lollipop, and my mama starting to ask me where my money from. And my papa, he gon' call me when that popo come. See me run up on that hill like I'm at Comic-Con. Ooh, when I'm sober, I don't wanna front. Ooh, Took off that polo right from my son. Catching feelings like them buddies you read it on. Straight up off the plane, yeah, I'm running from Babylon. What you planning on? Yeah, hundreds on my bed, texting with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, texting with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year.
Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to give your girl a big thumbs up, and I will be sure to catch you all in my next video. Bye. By the way, if you have not watched my last video, be sure to click the box right here. It's a makeup tutorial and super cute, so check it out.